Hey guys, it's CFL-TECH back with another video from CFL-TECH, and today we have the Pixel tablet to take a look at. So this video is going to show you the unboxing part of it, and we're going to just see what's inside the box. Now this does not contain many parts to it, so it's a rather simple unboxing, get right to the point. The Pixel tablet is the first tablet under the Pixel branding for the company, for Google. And they did have a tablet years back. It was an Nexus 7. That was probably around 10 years ago now, roughly, give or take a year or two. So that was a very small tablet, 7-inch display. It was a fun little tablet, very inexpensive. It was probably in like the $250 range, if I recall correctly. So it was, and the phones back then were a little cheaper as well. So different times. So here we are in the Pixel now, the Pixel tablet, the first tablet under the Pixel branding. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now we did open this up earlier, so we do have some things undone already, which should make it a little easier. And there we go, got that off. And here we go, the tablet is on the top here. So we're gonna take that out. And like I said, we took this apart earlier, so a little easier. Less tearing. And there you go, there's the tablet. We're gonna go put that aside right now, but that's the hazel color, like a gray. And now in this, there's some books or some paperwork. So we're not gonna take a look at that right now. And what do we have here? We have the dock. This is the dock. Now this is gonna be where you charge your device. Now here's your port for your power brick, and this is gonna be like a barrel type connector, proprietary for this dock. And then you have the pins here, right here, the 4-pin setup, which will connect to your tablet, so that'll get it charged up. So there's a magnet in the tablet itself that will actually help it stay seated on here. So it's really nice. This feels kind of substantial. It feels really nice. Got a little weight heft to it, which it's gonna need because you're gonna put this on your countertop. You want this to hold well. This has got a very good rubberized feel here. Google branding, by the way, in the bottom. Google branding here as well. And now this will hold well on your countertop. It's similar to what the Nest displays have, the Nest Max and the smaller ones. Now here's your power brick, got the Google branding. And like I said, there's a barrel type connector here. So this is what you're gonna connect to your back of your dock stand, and that's pretty much it. There is nothing else left in this box. So we got that, and we're gonna go put that aside. So let's take a quick look at the actual tablet. Now this feels nice. It's got the Google branding here, a little bit of fingerprinting here, but I was thinking earlier you would not see any, but there's a little bit of fingerprinting, smudging, but this is easy to keep clean. You got your Google logo, you got the 4 connectors here. This is gonna attach to those pins, and that will get you charged up, and that's really nice. And let's go ahead and see if we got some juice on this thing. I think they do come juiced up, yep. So we're gonna start it up real quick, and what we're gonna do here is we have the specs up on the screen for you now, so take a look at those. You have some quick specs from Google, and we'll have those up, so take a look at those. And what we're gonna do, we're not gonna go ahead and go into this device right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do another video here real soon on this, and we're gonna take a look at how the software is, see how that is, and we're gonna go from there. But right now we got it unboxed, that's it. We're gonna go ahead and get this powered up. We're gonna get it on the dock stand. Let's just do a little quick magnet test here. And there you go, it's on the dock. Relatively easy. Seems like it holds really well as well. So it looks nice on there with that color. I really like this color, it's very nice. And on the bottom here, there's a couple of rubberized stopper things here. Probably if you have a stand, it'll help keep it propped up and from sliding. So I think they do have a stand you could purchase for this, and you could just rest it up, you know, just like it's doing on here, but with the stand, and then you'll be able to keep that rubberized bottom here will protect your tablet. So that's kind of nice. It also keeps it from slipping. So So that's pretty nice. So we're on there, it looks good. And like I said, we're gonna do a video here soon with it on the dock. Look at the software. We're gonna have the hub mode going, so all that's good. And hope everybody's doing great. This is a quick unboxing. We're glad to get this in the house and we'll check it out soon. We're excited about this tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please put them down below. Did you pick one of these up? It's $4.99 right now at launch, so we'll have the link to purchase down below as well. But put your comments down below. What are your thoughts on this tablet? Are you getting one? Are you excited? Please let us know. Thank you for watching. CFL-TECH checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Hope everybody's doing great. Catch you in the next one.